Hey guys, welcome to EduHubSpot PMP Mindset video series. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the concept goal. What is your product goal? What is your project goal in predictive projects? And what is your project or product goal in agile projects? We will be clearly differentiating that. But before we do that, I want you to make sure you have this awesome EduHubSpot PMP mindset tool. Don't worry, you will get this tool for free of cost, but I'm going to discuss it at the later stage. But now first let's discuss the concept. Left click on the goal from the home page, and over here you will see the description and the difference between the traditional and the agile mindset. So on the traditional projects, the mindset of goal is that you need to create a complete product. You're not giving anything substandard, or you're not giving an incomplete product. Your goal is to give you a complete product. A comprehensive plan with defined objectives before the project begins allows the team to work as efficiently as possible with little supervision. So on the predictive side, you need to make sure that you have well-defined, clear objectives of the goal before you even start working on the project. On the agile side, you really don't need to have a complete product. You can create an MVP, which is a minimum viable product. And then you can either use iteration lifecycle or incremental lifecycle or agile lifecycle, which could be a combination of both. And you can use all that to create the product. It satisfied the customer through earliest and continuous delivery of valuable software by reducing the storage sizes that are used to process works. Exactly. So basically on the agile side, you are continuously developing the product. You're using progressive elaboration. Whatever information you have, you build a prototype, you build the MVP. Then once more information gets clear, you on top of that, you build the product. So on a traditional mindset, when you start, the goal is that this is what you need. In agile side, you build an MVP and then you build on top of that. Okay, let's quickly do a question. Team is working on a project where requirements are dynamic. So dynamic, this means changing. This means you're going to use an agile implementation basically. Customer wants to make sure that quality of the product is not compromised. Okay, so quality is not compromised, that's another keyword. So they have instructed you to share the prototype with them multiple times until it is perfect. As a project manager, what will be your next step? Ask the team to use predictive lifecycle. No, that should be wrong because requirements are dynamic. So this should be wrong answer. I double clicked and it showed me that it's the wrong answer. Ask the team to use the iterative lifecycle. This is actually the correct answer. I will tell you exactly why. First, they're talking about dynamic. So if the requirements are dynamic, either you can use iterative or you can use incremental, or you can use hybrid also, but requirements are dynamic. So typically you prefer any one between iterative or incremental. The second statement, it says quality of the product is not compromised. You have to share the product with multiple prototype multiple times until it is perfect. So the goal is perfection, and perfection is the keyword for iterative life cycle. For incremental life cycle, the keyword is quickness. So basically you want to launch the product as quickly as possible. So if this question was talking about that you want to launch the product as quickly as possible, then the answer should have been C. So let me double click on C and it will show you that it's the wrong answer. Because you don't want to compromise the quality, you want to make sure it is perfect, the answer is your option B. I double clicked on that and it showed me that it's the correct answer. You can click here to see the answer explanation, the written description, but I explained you the video, or you can click on this video to understand the question in detail. I mean, you will get a full-fledged video which will tell you why one option is better than the other. There's another question which is question number 2, but I would not do that for you. I want you guys to practice, and how you can practice is just make sure that you go to the home page on the top, click here, go to the home page. How to get this tool for free of cost? Just go on my website www.eduhubspot.com. When you go on my website, you will see two options over there. Either bottom right hand side, you will see an option of chat, click on that chat option, talk to one of my team member, or you request a demo, book a demo, and you will directly, based on the timeline, you can connect directly with one of my team member, and they're gonna set up a 30-minute Zoom call with you. Now, what is the purpose of this Zoom call? They're gonna explain you how to use this tool. They're gonna understand your background, what you are doing, how you are doing in your studies, and they will give you some pointers. After the end of the call, of that Zoom call, they're gonna email this mindset tool for you free of cost. If you are my student or if you are not my student, you will, irrespective of that, you will get this tool free of cost. Only thing I ask from you is go on my website and talk to them. Give us those 30 minutes, because ultimately I want to make sure that I'm impacting your life, not just by helping you pass the PMP exam, but touching your hearts. That's my end goal. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, because I'm gonna explain this entire 15 concepts, everything. Like before the real PMP, you have to watch these 15 sections, wear your PMI hat in order to pass this exam successfully. And don't forget to send me an email when you pass this exam, because these emails help me a lot. It motivates me a lot to make something as beautiful like PMI mindset tool, which I did. So the next video, we will be talking about how the project is closed in predictive projects and how the project is closed in agile projects. So stay tuned. The other side, you will see my favorite video. Don't forget to comment on my video and tell me how you are liking these videos. Thank you.